Today's video features the DJI Mini 3 Pro, but there's one small catch. Let's talk about it. Now this didn't happen from a crash. This didn't happen from me pulling on it, from too much pressure being applied, a screw being removed, any plastic being broken. This happened from one of these. That's right, the motor. I had a problem with one of the motors seizing up a little bit. I got some warning signs in the app, and what did I do? Like most of us would, I looked on the internet, I checked AI, looked around. It was recommended to use electronic spray or electric motor spray, so that's what I did. I go by the store, pick up some electrical spray. I sprayed a little bit in each one of the motors, turned them, made sure they were moving freely, turned the drone upside down, made sure all the liquid had drained out, they were dried, and I went to unfold one of the legs and it just fell off. Another one, same thing happened. Then I realized what happened. The third one, it just popped off from its own weight. And the fourth one, it's still kind of hanging on by a thread. Some of the spray had leaked down through the channel in the arm, set in here at the joint, and it had a chemical reaction to the plastic. This is the kind of thing that happened. It was actually that bad. So, do I feel a little silly? Maybe. So you don't have to go through the same tragedy. Do not use CRC electromotive. If you don't know what ingredients are in there, make sure you check with somebody before you let that touch any of this plastic. You got to know what kind of plastic was used for this and what kind of ingredients are in the cleaner as well. So let my lesson save you about $800 or maybe even more. Now, if you did get value from this, and I'm sure you did, make sure you give us a like, subscribe, and keep up to date on the channel. We got quite a few things coming your way. I'll see you in the next video.